How to fix error code 0xc000025 blue error on Windows 10. Here are some possible fixes how to fix error code 0xc000025 blue error on Windows 10. Solution 1, run startup repair. Solution 2, rebuild BCD under advanced options via command prompt. Run these commands when you land on the command prompt window, /fixmper /fixbut /rebuild. Solution 3, run sfc/nchkdsk. Run these commands as admin, sfc/scan/ochkdskc/f/r. Solution 4, run Diskpart tool. Run these commands as admin, Diskpart list volume select volume X, hint, the letter X stands for the volume's number, assign letter equals Z exit but C // Windows /SC /FUEFI. Solution 5, perform a system restore.